Yes, obviously. Looking at recent news, definitely from UK to US, there have been big events with Brexit and Trump. And we have, as you know, national elections in France this May, to make it short. I think that if I start with France, let's be prudent, but we do not expect any big disruption during these new elections with the favorite candidates, which are more or less, I would say, business-friendly. So we do not expect, I would say, big headwinds from this election and more continuity. And this year, France could be maybe quite an area of continuity and stability, which could be nice. On a more wider spectrum, as you know, we are investing in quite international business, so we avoid to depend too much on any domestic economy and so on. And the fact to be present from France to UK and to US with more and more international business makes so that we are not that affected by any specific political spot issue. Definitely we have this fully in our mind, but we are very pleased that our companies continue to develop in their global areas with matter of fact success. Okay, good point. Obviously, in this market, everybody pretends to be very different, primed, and so on. I think what we really like at MML, and so do our LPs and our management, is that we really have a different approach from deal. Why? Because, as you know, we were initially a meds fund, and we gradually moved towards arranging our self-sponsored situation, and minority and majority, I would say, bespoke deals. And accordingly, our DNA is to be far away from mainstream of tertiary, quaternary LBO, and accordingly arranging quite a different situation. And at the end of the day, I think LPs and management like it because with our approach, we have different situation. And in terms of structuring, we continue to mix bonds and equity, which benefits to our LPs to have a downside protection and nevertheless a PE-like returns, and for our management to have a big stake into these deals. And so I think it is a real differentiating in the market we appreciate. Yes, I think this co-investment trend is really a growing situation, and for us, it's really a partnership rule vis-à-vis our LPs. To illustrate that, in the last investment we made in France in July, we could have kept, I would say, the full investment for ourselves, but we were very pleased to offer to our LP to co-invest. And accordingly, 1/3 of this investment was shared with our LPs in what we consider as a clear rule of partnership with them and to have this win-win access to deal. What we like, you know, we are very much concentrating on our business, finding new opportunities and so on. But I think it's a nice forum. Why? Because it's just a combination of meeting GPs to LPs, and accordingly we can discuss with our peers on some deal origination, deal exchange, and so on, and with the LPs, with our investors. So I think to have this combination of people together is a right moment to unplug for a day and to exchange these very open chats.